Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to view Reddit comments on YouTube. So for example, I opened this YouTube video and I'm not going to play it because of copyright strike violation issue. So what I'm going to do is scroll down, and as you can see, 49 threads Reddit comments. I can read all the Reddit comments over here. Look at it. Police brutality. Barney is clearly restrained, yet they continue to kick and stomp his head. Look at this, my friends. And all of the comments, you can sort them out to new comments. New comments, my friends. This was posted at our videos. Godzilla. Someone needs to re-upload this as a time lapse. So my friends, this is how you can see Reddit comments on any YouTube video. If it's shared on Reddit, you will see the Reddit comments, and they are more entertaining than the usual YouTube comments. Trust me, because Reddit is a text-based website most of the times, and people enjoy commenting over there more than they comment on YouTube. So the thing is that the version that I'm using, my friends, I tried to open it from my extensions, but however it's not working. So I'll put a link in the description for this Chrome extension. I found it for Firefox, the version that I'm using, but this version is working for Chrome browser. So I'll put the link in the description box, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for further updates. Thanks for watching, my friends.